Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to set Google Form response limit. Google Forms allows you to limit responses so that each person can submit the form only once. This is useful for surveys, quizzes, registrations, and applications where you want to prevent duplicate submissions. In this guide, I'll walk you through enabling the one response limit in Google Forms. The first step is to open your preferred web browser. Go to Google Forms and sign in to your Google account if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, open any Google form that you want to limit responses for. After the form opens, click on the Settings tab located near the top of the page. Inside the Settings page, navigate to the Responses section. Here you'll find several response-related options. Locate the option labeled Limit to one response. Turn this option on. Once enabled, respondents will need to sign in with a Google account, and each account will only be able to submit the form once. Your changes are saved automatically, so there's no need to click a Save button. After enabling this setting, your form will begin enforcing the one response limit for future submissions. It is important to understand that this setting only limits responses to one submission per signed-in Google account. It does not prevent someone from responding again using a different Google account. A common mistake many users make is forgetting that enabling this option requires respondents to sign in to their Google accounts, which may not be suitable for forms intended for anonymous responses. Another common mistake is expecting the setting to remove duplicate responses that were submitted before it was enabled. It only affects new submissions going forward. Some users also overlook testing the form after enabling the setting to ensure it behaves as expected for a respondent. To summarize, setting a Google Form response limit begins by opening Google Forms, signing into your Google account, and opening the form you want to edit. Next, click on the Settings tab, navigate to the Responses section, locate the option labeled Limit to one response, and turn it on. Google Forms will automatically save the change, and from that point onward, each signed-in Google account will only be able to submit the form once. Using the response limit feature helps reduce duplicate submissions and improves the accuracy of your collected data. And that's how to set a Google Form response limit. By enabling the limit to one response option, you can ensure each signed-in respondent submits your form only once, making your survey or data collection more reliable. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.